Investors' confidence is dented by worries about the contagion of the coronavirus from China. Another market-moving event for Forex is scheduled for today. The ECB is holding a policy meeting followed by the press conference of Christine Lagarde. The US dollar index will depend today on the euro's reaction to the ECB policy update and weekly data on the US labor market. At the first policy meeting this year, the ECB left the key policy rate unchanged. This decision comes as no surprise, so traders focus mainly on the press conference, as the ECB leader is set to provide details about the scope and agenda for further policy moves. Some analysts suggest that the new ECB President will follow in Mario Draghi's footsteps and trim the main refinancing rate if necessary. Before the press conference, the US dollar index remained below the psychological level of 97.50. The euro-dollar pair went below support of 1.1080. Besides, the euro has been weighed down by Donald Trump's threats to impose tariffs on imports of EU cars. Another headwind is that Italy is on the verge of a political crisis due to the resignation of the Five-Star Movement's leader. Yesterday, the policy update of the Bank of Canada triggered a strong response from the loonie. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair rebounded from the level of 1.3060 and surged above 1.31. Canada's regulator downgraded the outlook for economic growth and suggested the scenario of monetary easing in the future. Thus, its current rhetoric differs greatly from the stance expressed in December, when the central bank highlighted stabilization of the global economy. Today, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is trading at near 1.3150. The loonie is trading under pressure amid falling oil prices. Investors are worried that the spread of coronavirus from China could reduce fuel demand. Sell-offs in the oil market intensified after the International Energy Agency stated that a global oversupply would keep a lid on oil prices. Until the weekend, the dynamic in the oil market will be the main driving force for the loonie. In this context, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is likely to follow the uptrend. Some analysts expect the pair to climb as high as 1.33. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.